Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today, sorry, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the Wi-Fi antenna on one of these 2011 17-inch MacBook Pros. So, yeah, let's get started. So, first of all, let's shut down. I'm a little sick right now, so my voice isn't going to be the greatest, and you'll hear some coughs here and there. But anyways, now that it's shut down, can flip it over and get our Phillips head screwdriver and just unscrew the bottom. Pretty easy. Getting into one of these unibody MacBooks is so easy. Just Phillips head screws on the bottom, and then you're in. So, with the bottom case off, that bottom case is fine. Can disconnect the battery. Can focus on the Wi-Fi antenna. So first of all, you want to disconnect this cable from the motherboard. So it's done in this connector right here as well. It's done. Now, if you're planning to put a 2012 card in here, you're going to have to do one small step. But first of all, you want to disconnect all the connectors. You can do this with your fingers or a screwdriver or pry tool. I'm using my screwdriver for this. There we go. Now we can unscrew it. So there we go. Now, if you have, sorry, that was out of focus. Whatever. So if you bought a 2011 Wi-Fi card, you can just get your new one and put it in. But if you're putting a 2012 one in to upgrade it, there's one more step. First of all, you have to peel this thing off. And you have to remove it because the cartridges or the plastic holder thingies are apparently not compatible. So let me just demonstrate that. So that's the Wi-Fi card. comes down with a thermal pad, which has a thermal pad. Sorry about that. Yeah. Anyways, you have to disconnect the. Oh my god, it was out of focus. Okay, let me just zoom out all the way. Okay, so you just have to unscrew the screws. You can see the screw holes, and take it out. Disconnect the cable, and yeah. And when you have your 2012 Wi-Fi card, you can just put it back in. Now you can stick back on the tape if you want to, but you don't have to. So I recommend you do it because it's like static protection. So yeah. Don't forget to reconnect the cable. There you go. Can put it back in. Just screw all the screws in. Again, reinstall the screws. Connect all the cables. Sorry, this is so quiet. Connected. Route this cable. Connect it to the motherboard, the MacBook Pro. Can route this one too. There you go. Connect it. And there we go, that part's done. Now you can connect this. There we go. And now that that's done, you can connect your battery. Get your bottom cover. Yeah, this isn't sticking too well anymore. Just need to adjust something before I close it up. I think the screwdriver will help. Alright, And if you hear some clicks while you're pressing it down, don't worry, those are just clips. So, to hold down the bottom. And if you hear them like after you're done repairing or sometime after you're done repairing or like, a while later, those clicking sounds are just the clips. So don't worry about those. And just reinstall the screws. Been sick for like almost a week. Well, almost a week. I'm almost recovered, so I'm still a little sick, which means I've been sick for a week then. Yeah. So, yeah. And of course, the virus, I was sick with the virus, so I'm getting better. I healed actually pretty fast, so yeah. Anyways, now that that's done, can open the lid and press the power button. Just boot chime should boot up into Mac OS. Put something away. So, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and check out my Twitter at ufelix5. And yeah. See you guys next time. Bye. Oh, reflection.